Hi, my Earth signs. This is a video from the Power of Purple Tarot by for what universe wants to tell you, what universe has in its store for you. So what other information you need to work on, and what's the message for you. Okay, so I'll be doing the reading from the Energy Oracles, from Crazy Sexy Love Notes by Chris Kerr, and will bring in some charms for added information and fun. Okay, so let's check with the cards first. What's there for you? Victory, Earth signs. Beautiful card. Victory. So my Earth signs, there's a lot of victory in your life. There will be victory in your life. If you are not feeling it at the moment, you will be victorious in your, maybe some in your career, some in both career and love life, in personal life. There will be a victory. In whatever you are doing, there will be a victory. Whatever you are fighting with, there will be a victory in your life. Okay, what else? Any other messages? Okay, third chakra, Archangel Chamuel. Just pardon if I'm not pronouncing it properly. So this archangel is related to our solar plexus. So you need to take care of healthy food, take care of yourself, have healthy food, and take rest, and also meditate on focus on solar plexus chakra. You can use a guided meditation on YouTube, or you can use or you can just meditate and see yourself filled with yellow light, and this this Archangel Chamuel standing in front of you. Visualize that, and you ask him to heal with his yellow light your solar plexus, the Samanipura, the solar plexus chakra, so that it heals and you get the confidence you need to have the victory. So yeah, you'll be victorious, but you need to take care of your solar plexus chakra. Eat healthy, that's what I'm getting also. What else? What are the other messages coming for you? Listen. Oh my god, how sweet this card. You need to listen, you know. Are you talking more than you are listening? Do you finish people's sentences for them? Shh. True connection is about how we make people feel and whether or not we are being open and present. Life is communicating with you, dear one. An important message in trying to get through. Let go of your fear of not being heard. You will get your chance for now. Just listen. So at this time you need to listen. Don't shut people down around you. So if somebody is talking to you, please listen to it, and once you listen to it, you will be getting the required information, and yes, you will also have your own time of speaking. Okay, let's try with the charms. Let's see what charms are there for you. Oh, beautiful. The Pentacles, abundance and prosperity. Okay, what else? Yeah, there will be a good family life. Elephant with the prosperity and abundance in your family life. For some, elephant for prosperity. Angel wings, yeah. Archangel Chamuel and all the angels around you, yeah. Call all the angels. The angels are all at your service. See, 3 angel wings. 1, 2, 3. These are the angel wings, symbolizing the angel wings. Okay. Key to for you is balancing your solar plexus chakra and listening to people's advice at the moment. Your turn will definitely come. Yeah, communication. Please listen, and then you will have your turn. Just now I told you. Leaf, new beginning. The dragonfly spirit, yeah, be spirited, and of course you will be getting what you want. Feel free and spirited, that's the message. The leaves, new beginning, flowers, blossoms. It's abundance for you again. So I wish you all the best. and drop me an email if you want to have a book a personal reading on powerofpurpletarot@gmail.com. And all are rest are all in my description box. I'm so sorry. And yeah, do like, share, subscribe and comment on what kind of video you want and how you like the video. Okay, thank you, take care, all the best.